In previous activity, we have discussed about the solution of a linear equation in two variable algebraically. But this time we have to represent a linear equation in two variable geometrically. So let's check how the graph of a linear equation in two variable could be drawn. So this time, in order to draw the graph of a linear equation, we used to find its different pair of solution as we did in previous activities. So in order to find different solution pair of this linear equation, first we make any one of these two variable as subjective. Here I made this y variable as subjective, so this y equals to 12 minus 2x upon 3. Now we find different values of y for different values of x. As if x is taken 0, so y we have 12 minus 2 into 0 upon 3, like this. So this is 12 minus 2 zeros are 0 upon 3, and 12 minus 0 is 12 upon 3 is 4. Next we use different value of x. This time I use 3. So for x equal to 3, let's check the value of y. So this is 12 minus 2 into 3 upon 3, like this. And on simplifying, it is 12 minus 2 3s are 6 upon 3. So this is 12 minus 6 is 6 whole upon 3 is 2. Now we use next value of x like minus 3. So y we have 12 minus 2 into minus 3 upon 3. So it becomes 12 minus minus plus 2 3s are 6 whole upon 3. So it is 12 plus 6 18 upon 3 is 6. So this way we found different solution pair like 0, 4, 3, 2 and minus 3, 6. Now we draw these solution pair on Cartesian plane, and as these solution pair are in form of some coordinate, and we have studied in previous activities or in previous chapter coordinate geometry very well, that how to locate any point having coordinate x, y on the Cartesian plane. So first we locate 0, 4. 0, 4, this would be lying on y positive axis. So it is lying here. That's the point A having coordinate 0, 4. Next we locate second point having coordinate 3, 2. So x is 3, y is plus 2. So that point with coordinate 3, 2 is lying here. Last point is having coordinate minus 3, 6. So x is minus 3, y is plus 6. So this point with coordinate minus 3, 6 lies here. Now let's check what could be the required pattern if these 3 points are joined. So as if these 3 points are joined, we found that pattern as a straight line. So it makes us clear that the graph of a linear equation in two variable will always be a straight line. That will always be a straight line. One more point what we have to remember is, as number of points may lie on this straight line, and you know that A, B, C are also the points which are treated as solution of this linear equation. That's why all these infinite number of points which lie on this straight line will also be treated as solution of this linear equation. That's why a linear equation has infinitely many solutions, and the points which do not lie on that straight line are not treated as solution of that linear equation. That's it.